Hey! I'm Dora the Explorer, and today I'm kidnapping random faggots and taking them to my pirate ship. Now let's go. Once whoever lies in that house comes out, he will be trapped in a fucking cage.
Another lovely day, except I'm still grounded. What the fuck?
Got you, motherfucker. Now let's find more faggots. Hey! Remember when I kidnapped one of the fucking kids with the portal box? Well, I'm just about to do the same thing with this asshole. Ha ha ha.
Carter, go to your room now cause you are grounded.
Huh? Why is there a package in my room? I didn't order anything. I guess I can open it. What the fuck is this shit? Holy fucking shit, it's sucking me in the damn portal. Oh fuck.
Ha 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 ha, that's the best invention ever. I did this twice instead of trapping them. Let's fucking make a puddle this time.
What is happening?
What the hell?
What the fucking shit is happening? Oh my god, I'm going to the land of Oz.
I'm the map. Backpack, yeah. Oh my god, am I going to rainforest to find Diego? That's awesome, yay.
Wow, it looks like no one else is coming. Let's just kidnap a few more people. We finally kidnapped all the fuckers I need.
You better let us the fuck out, Dora, or we will fucking call your parents.
You can do it, I'm afraid.
Why not?
Because reason number 1, they are on a long-ass vacation. Number 2, the phones won't pick up enough signal here. And number 3, you can get out of the cage.
Oh, that's just fucking great. Just fucking great. Now you can't fucking get grounded. You a free fucking girl, god damn it.
Well, get used to it, fat ass. And speaking of which, it's time for some of my prisoners to walk the plank. Well, we have 5 people who will walk the plank, but only one by one can go. The rest are still in the cell.
You're such a bitch.
Wait, why me? I worked for you at the store.
That's because you're a piece of shit and just fucking nerd do. You didn't do that well at the fucking store? Anyways, once you walk the plank, there's no coming back.
Wait. Dora. What happens if I walk the plank? Will I find the map?
Well, let's start with you then, and I'll tell you what will happen. Follow me.
So what happens if I jump off into the water?
Well, you will find a magical portal to rainforest, and then you'll find Boots and the man.
Oh. Then I better jump. Here I come, Boots, yay.
Dumbass. Well, it looks like we can now do the other 4 faggots there and we'll later get everyone else to walk the plank. Besides, it's not like a ship is gonna come this way and attack me. So we might as well begin. Oh shit, I spoke too soon.
I am Captain of a Screw Dora, and we're here to save the people you kidnapped.
Get us clothes.
Aye, Captain.
Get them prisoners out.
Get off my fucking ship. You'll never take them.
Art, you have no crew members.
Be free from this bitchy ship.
What the fun? My prisoners are escaping. No. You win. You can take them all. I don't fucking care anymore.
Well, we already have Dora.
Wait a second. How do you know my name?
Because I'm not really a pirate, I am.
Your biggest fucking hater.
Arnold, how the fun, did you?
Never question how I found your ship. Now that everyone's free, your ship is going down.
Oh shit, he doesn't mean it, does he?
Fire in the hole.
Fun. Fuck you. Fuck you all. You all fucking suck for destroying my ship. Now I'm going down with it. Fuck you all. You dead-ass teenagers.
Yes, that bitch went down with her ship.
Well, this is just freaking great.
I'm naked in the water. Yay, I will continue finding the map.
And here I thought the fight was going to fail for it. Welp, what's the worst that can happen?
Dora, how fucking dare you kidnap people and take them to your pirate ship and try to make them walk the plank. You're grounded again for 14 weeks.